Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox on VR. First, ensure your virtual reality headset is compatible with Roblox, as not all models are supported. Next, connect your VR headset to your personal computer using the appropriate cables, typically a DisplayPort and a USB 3.0 connection. Then, install the Roblox Player application on your computer. Finally, launch Roblox and select a game that explicitly supports virtual reality for an immersive experience. Once you're in a virtual reality game, navigating is intuitive. Use your VR controllers for all movement and interaction. The left joystick typically controls your character's locomotion, allowing you to walk or run. The right joystick often controls camera rotation, letting you turn around 180 degrees or more. To interact with objects, simply point your controller at them and press the trigger button, just like in real life. To enhance your Roblox VR experience, consider optimizing your settings. Adjust your in-game graphics to a lower setting if you experience lag, aiming for at least 90 frames per second. Ensure your personal computer meets the recommended system requirements for virtual reality. Always clear any physical obstructions in your play space to prevent accidents. Remember to take short breaks, perhaps every 20 to 30 minutes, to avoid motion sickness and eye strain. If you encounter any issues, don't worry, troubleshooting is straightforward. A simple restart of both Roblox and your virtual reality headset can resolve many common glitches. Always check for updated drivers for your graphics card and VR headset to ensure optimal performance. Verify your internet connection for stable gameplay, as a poor connection can cause lag. Finally, explore community forums for specific game-related tips and solutions from other players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.